Okay guys, so today I am opening up a brand new disposable camera and I am going to absolutely destroy it. Destroy it. And not for just any reason. Look at this. Kodak Fun Saver. Single-use camera? Well, guess what? I'm gonna turn that single-use into a infinite use. What is this? Does it require batteries? I've actually never used one. I had the chance one time in my life to use this, and I decided I didn't use it because I had Kodak Easy Share, and I didn't care to use this. Hey, look, 27 shots. I don't think it's working, guys. That might just be me, but oh, look, it is doing something. Yeah, so, yeah, enough of this camera. I can go ahead and just take this apart, because that's all I care about. However I take this apart, I have no idea. Hey, look, I can use this knife that I have. A knife. What a shame. Oh, it'd probably be a good idea if I took this tape off. Guys, this might not be it. Guys, this was not it. I just tore the tape off for no reason. Oh my gosh, the flash works. And I just blinded myself. Anyways. Look, I got into it. Oh, the film is gone. Oopsie. Guys, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Yeah, guys, I don't think this was supposed to happen. Anyways, film enthusiast. Please don't hurt me. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, yeah, well, we're done with that. Free double A battery. Good food. Yeah, I didn't even actually do that. Oh, look, my first screw. It'd be such a shame if I didn't have an iFixit Pro toolkit for this. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Things are falling apart, and I could literally care less. And take those out. Look at that, it's the lens. Just need to unscrew it. Look at that, there's the lens. Exactly what you needed, and I guess we can test this to make sure I'm not absolutely stupid. Well, you can kind of see it, but yeah, that's the concept. Anyways, we're gonna not damage the actual thing. We're gonna use a different lens cap after we get rid of all of this. So put that there, put this back in here. Yeah, we're just going to, alright guys, I cleaned up a little bit, and put this little fun sticker on here that matches this, and yeah, I just need to put this lens in. We need to make a big hole in the middle of this cap, somehow, and yeah, I winded the film back up, which is probably all just white now. Who cares? But we're gonna get, we're gonna make a big hole in this using, none other than my trusty, anyways. I'm gonna use a soldering iron, but yeah, we're gonna use a soldering iron, burn some plastic. Yippee! Don't do this way at home, because this is stupid. I don't know how long this takes to heat up or anything. Ew. You disgusting. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna do something about this. I'll see you then. Okay, so now that we have the hole put in, I decided to just go out and drill it with my father. So, didn't catch anything on fire, so that's good. So yeah, last part is to put the lens in. There we go. Snaps right in. Isn't that pretty slick? Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Most cheapest lens install century. Yeah, guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That true, clear, crisp image. I have no idea what the focus point is, but look at this. Look at this. See outside with this. Essentially $12 lens. Well, like $25, but now look at this. That's the lens. That's absolutely wild. Well, this is my take on the Kodak goofy Kodak lenses. So, yeah, body cap lens. And yeah, we only killed one roll of film and wasted some plastic. So there you go.